Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm the problem and your driver version using Nvidia SMI or system settings. Note the driver number and session type, Wayland or Zorg. Next, update to the latest stable Nvidia driver with your package manager or use the official Nvidia installer. Reboot to apply the new driver and confirm Nvidia SMI shows the expected version. Before changing settings, reproduce tearing by playing a full-screen video or dragging windows quickly. Record when tearing occurs, in games or the desktop, so you can verify improvements after fixes. Open Nvidia settings as root and navigate to X server display configuration to enable force composition pipeline. Apply the option for each display and click Save to X configuration file if available. If your distro lacks that file, create /etc/x11/Zorg. Conf d/20 Nvidia. Conf and add option force composition pipeline on under the monitor section. Also enable option triple buffer on to allow smoother frame pacing in some apps. Consider setting Power Miser to prefer maximum performance when gaming to avoid clock changes causing micro stutter. Reboot and retest to confirm tearing. Check your desktop compositor settings and enable VSync or the compositor's tier-free option when available. For KDE, enable Allow Flipping and Compositor VSync. On Wayland sessions, prefer the compositor's native buffer swap to minimize tearing and enable G-Sync or Adaptive Sync when your monitor supports it. For laptops with hybrid graphics, enable Prime Synchronize or Prime Sync in the Zorg configuration for tier-free offloading. If problems persist, temporarily switch display modes to borderless full screen or use the game's internal VSync to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.